Hello everyone! If you want to recover your LinkedIn account, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to recover LinkedIn account without email. So let's get started. When you open your LinkedIn app and tap the word forgot password. In here, you have to enter your email address that is linked to your LinkedIn account or your phone number. Once done, tap reset password. And then they will send you a code to your email. So I will be checking my email first if I have received any verification code. Just copy the code here and paste it on the LinkedIn app. Tap submit. After that, you will be allowed to create a new password. Simply type the password again, and that's all you need to do to reset or recover your password if you have forgotten your LinkedIn account password. Once you're done, tap submit. And you can now open your LinkedIn account. What if you can't remember your email account? Here's what you need to do. Tap the can't access the email, and in here you need to provide a new email address. And you also need to put the link of your LinkedIn app here, or if you don't have, you can just ask your LinkedIn friends and copy the link and paste it here. And when you're done filling out this form, just tap continue, and you will be needing to provide a government ID for you to reset your password. And that's it. You can now recover your LinkedIn account without email. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.